respected teachers, and my dear friends. As someone has truly said, a selfless teacher dedicates not only time but also heart and soul into shaping the brains of the students. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mihir Mandavia, and I am pursuing BTech from GLS University, and I am in my first year. And today, I'll be talking about why I would recommend this course to my friends and family. But firstly, I'll take you all through my journey of this course. This story started a long time ago, in 2021, when my sister joined these classes in the online batch. Me and my sister gave the entrance test together. However, since my 11th standard had just started, I couldn't join to focus more on my studies. Fast forward to April 2023, when my 12th standard finished. My dad and my sister strongly recommended me to join this course. But I would always refrain from joining by just giving any excuse that my English skills were really good. Spoiler alert, I was wrong. After listening to them several times, I decided to finally join the December 23 batch. And who knew this was just the first step for an exciting and thrilling journey in shaping my life. During the first week, when all of us had to give an introduction speech, I was as nervous as a student giving his board exams for the first time that I decided to go at the end after everyone had finished. But soon, this fear of stage speaking vanished as ma'am started assigning us impromptu speeches, conversations, and many more to practice on stage in front of everyone. And I would love to go on stage to practice in front of everyone. During these 8 weeks, I read 3 to 4 books like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Autobiography of a Yogi, etc. and learned 150 to 200 new vocabulary words. The favorite part of doing my homework was watching movies and web series, because whenever my mom would ask me, "Why are you watching movies whole day?" I would proudly reply that this is a part of my homework. Not to forget, amid such classes, they were filled with lots of valuable life lessons with a touch of humor. He taught us how to manage time properly, money properly, and how to crack job interviews, and many more, and inspired us by his real life stories of how he and ma'am used to sell Bibles in USA door to door for 4 summers. Can you believe it? And finally, the main topic, right? Why I would recommend this course to my friends and family? Well, I have 3 strong reasons. First, if you want to stand out from the crowd by delivering excellent speeches and participating in discussions with your friends and colleagues, you will gain tremendous confidence after joining. Second, ma'am's determination in pushing every student beyond their boundaries and maximizing their capabilities will not only help you in these 2 months, but also in the long run. And third, it's up to you whether if you join this course, you need to work hard to gain the maximum out of it, because ma'am has taught us that even the busiest person will take out time to improve his skills, and even the laziest person will not take out time. So it's up to you to decide which category you want to belong in. Thank you.